Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is role and role hierarchy. Roles are defined to increase the data visibility a particular user has. Role specify who will report to whom and where to stand in the role hierarchy. We can delete role but should not have any subordinate role. Subordinate role should be reassigned to some other role, then delete the role. Role structure can be viewed in the following format: tree view, sorted list view, list view. Role hierarchy. Data visibility can be increased using sharing rules or by building role hierarchy. This will specify level of access user will get on the organization data. This will not control any permission. User can access all the data that is visible to the users below him in the role hierarchy. If two users have same role, then they will not have same permission. Steps to create role in classic view. Setup, administer, manage users, roles, add role. Step 1. Enter role name. Step 2. Select report to role. Step 3. Save. Example. Add role under CFO, account manager, and under account manager add marketing manager. Steps to create role in Lightning View. Setup, administration, users, roles, add role. Step 1. Enter role name. Step 2. Select report to role. Step 3. Save. For example, add role under COO project manager and under project manager add team lead and under team lead add developer. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in to our Salesforce account. So for creating the role in classic view, first we need to click on setup, administer, manage users, roles. First we need to click on expand all, so we will able to see how many roles are there. So first of all, we are seeing that Salesforce network is coming. This is our organization name. Below this add role is there, and below this CEO there. CEO, under CEO, CFO, COO, SVP, customer service and support, and under this there is support international, customer support North America, installation repair services, and under CEO second one is SVP human resource, and next one is SVP sales and marketing, and under sales and marketing there is VP international sales, VP marketing, and under VP marketing there is marketing team, and under SVP sales marketing there is VP North American sales, and under this director channel sales, under this channel sales team, and parallel to this director channel sales director direct sales, under this eastern sales team and western sales team. I am not going to disturb all the things, only I am going to concentrate on CEO, CFO and CEO, and I am not going to delete any of one of this. I am going to concentrate only on this Salesforce network is org name, and under this there is a CEO, and under CEO there is a CFO and CEO. Up to this I am going to work. not below this. So if I need to create one role, and that role, if I want to create under CFO, then what I have to do, first we need to click on un- under CFO add role. Clicking on add role, provide the role name. Here I am going to provide account manager. Role name is by default coming account manager, to whom it is going to report, to CFO it is going to report, and simply clicking on save button. Like this we are creating roles in classic view. If again I am going to see how it's looking, this is our org name, this is CEO, under CEO there is a CFO, and under CFO we had created one role by the name account manager. So next we have to create one more role in Lightning Experience. So for creating the role in Lightning Experience, first we need to click on switch to Lightning Experience. First we need to click on right side setup, administration, users, roles. See, all the roles are coming over here. This is Salesforce Network Organization name. Under this, CEO is there. Under CEO, CFO and COO is there. Up to this I am going to work. I am not going to see this below, and I am not going to delete this below roles. So what our assignment is? Our assignment is creating role under CEO by the name project manager. Under project manager, I have to create one more role by the name team lead, and under team lead, I have to create one more role, that is developer. This is our assignment, creating roles in Lightning View. So first I have to click on add role. Here I am going to provide project manager. Project manager is going to report CEO. Clicking on save button. Under project manager, I have to create one more role by the name team lead. Project manager is reporting to CEO. Again, I am going to click on roles. So here project manager is we are seeing under project manager we have to create team lead. So click on add role. Team lead. Team lead is going to report to project manager, and under team lead I am going to create one more role by the name developer. Under project manager, team lead is there. Under team lead there should be one developer. So clicking on add new. So clicking on add role, developer. Developer is going to report team lead, and clicking on save button. Again coming to roles. Here we are seeing that CEO, under CEO there is project manager role. Under project manager there is team lead. Under team lead there is a developer. Developer is going to report team lead, and team lead is reporting to project manager, and project manager is reporting to CEO, and again CEO is going to report CEO. Here if I am clicking on collapse all, nothing is seeing here, And if I am clicking on expand, so one by one we can see all the rules, and here on the right hand side we can see this in tree view. This one is sorted list view, like this it is viewing, and list view like this. Thank you.